How to turn off tweets retweets on X. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can turn off your tweets or turn off tweet retweets on Twitter or X rather, guys. So the first step is to go ahead and open your Twitter. When you open your Twitter, guys, just go ahead and head over to the person you want to turn off their retweets of tweets from. So for example, I don't want to retweet from this guys, from this person. I don't want to be seeing his retweet. So just go ahead and click on the three lines showing above your screen. And when you click on that, you can just go ahead and click on where it says turn off reposts. So you just have to be doing this for the people that usually retweet. For example, these guys, I don't like seeing her repost, so I'll just go ahead and click on this and click on turn off repost. These guys, Twitter is going to stop, or X rather, will stop showing you retweets from the person precisely. So if anybody is fooling your feed page with retweets, you can just go ahead and follow this step, guys, just to make your feed page cleaner. So it's just going to be just post without necessarily seeing anyone's retweet. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.